What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video I'm teaching you guys how you can play with your friends like 2v2 whatever against other people, right? So what you have to do first is click on the second one where it says co-op seasons, right? So boom, you click on that, and boom, click on that. Once that happens, it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take you to this page right here. Now from here, what you have to do is click on your friend's name right here. So this is my friend right here. Boom. Then from here, what you have to do is click on invite co-op match. Click on that. Take a while. It's gonna take a while. Now from here, you just have to wait for your friends. In that time, you could change your teams, whatever. So me, I like Argentina. There's Belgium. There's every other teams. You could go to PNG, whatever you want. So me, I'm gonna just choose Argentina. Boom. From you can choose your select your jerseys, whatever you want, right? Boom. Now click on search. Now for the search, it's gonna take a while for you. It depends on where you live. So for me, it's gonna take like 30 seconds to like a minute. But for you, it might take like a whole hour. It just depends on where you live. See, it doesn't take that long for me. Alright, boom. Now you're just on the loading screen, so this is also gonna take a while. Yep, now you're on this page right here. Now from here, what you have to do, you have to skip. I mean, if you want to, unless you want to see this. But they all have to skip. If they don't, you're just gonna be stuck here. Alright, so once they all skip, it should take you to straight into the game. And you're basically playing against your friend. You see the red, that's me, the blue is my friend, and that's how you play. If this video helped, make sure you like and subscribe. If you guys need any help, you leave a comment down below in the description. Thank you for watching.